Imagine if we had hands like this, like all the time.
This is supposed to be a friendly debate.
Get that thing off of my plate. You better not be mashing that potato. The clue's in the name. Roast potatoes.
Well, sorry.
Not sorry. You know that mash has always been my thing on a roast. You can never have too many potatoes.
Given that we're cooking with free electricity at the moment, you can have as many types of potatoes as you want.
So why are you doing boiled veg?
I prefer boiled veg, and the kids like boiled veg.
Well, there's a flaw in your potato debate then, because these are roast vegetables for a roast, believe it or not.
If you've got that instant gravy out again, I'm going to lose it.
Look, right, it saves time and it tastes just as good.
Well, you can use that time that you've saved to load the dishwasher. So which side of the great Sunday roast debate are you on?
One thing we can agree on is that free electricity makes it taste 100 times better.